In this lesson, we'll learn about Arnold's AI two-sided shader. Every polygon has a front side and a back side. The AI two-sided shader allows you to assign two different materials to the front and back faces of a single object. It is especially useful for materials like thin fabric, paper, or leaves where the front and back should look different. First, let's create an AI two-sided shader in Hypershade. Connect an AI standard surface to the front slot. Then connect another AI standard surface to the back slot. An important thing to remember is that these slots accept shaders, not textures. Under the Create menu, choose Shader, and you'll find various shaders that can be connected here. To make the difference easier to see, I'll use a blue material for the front and a purple material for the back. Next, create a skydome light and connect a built-in ramp instead of using an HDR image. A skydome light provides environmental lighting for the entire scene. Connecting a ramp creates a smooth transition of brightness and color instead of a flat color. This is a simple and effective way to create soft lighting or a basic environment. Select the object and assign the AI two-sided shader. I'll make one side of the ramp slightly darker and increase the value V on the other side to make it brighter. Arnold uses HDR color calculations, allowing it to represent a much wider brightness range than a standard 8-bit RGB image. By default, the value is 1. But values greater than 1 produce brightness beyond pure white. Next, I'll add an area light as a fill light. After setting the base color, I'll enable Sheen and choose a sheen color. Sheen adds a subtle color around the edges depending on the viewing angle, making it ideal for materials like satin or velvet. Now let's save the current shader as a preset. Click the presets icon at the top to save all of the current shader settings. Presets save time by eliminating repetitive setup and help maintain consistent material quality throughout a project. Then apply the preset to the second shader and simply change its color. Finally, let's connect a bump map to the front material. Maya includes a built-in cloth 2D texture. It works well for creating simple fabric surface details. Adjust the bump strength and UV scale to complete the material. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more Maya tutorials. Thanks.